Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. I believe this is video number 3. Just got our earnings for the day, and I believe it was like 30 something dollars I got today. Let's take a look. Yeah, there you go. 32.65, 0.33% on the Forex trade today. So basically, that's what I made today. Just showing you guys daily review videos and showing you my progress in S Group here. So I'm basically at 13,300 and something. I believe I'm about $775 away from 14,000. I'm growing my account. If you guys checked out my previous videos, I've started this account October of 2020. It's now May 2022, so I've been in the system just over a year and a half, and I have my money invested in the Forex investment, which I'll show you under here. There we go, Forex investment. There's other areas within the company you can invest money in. Basically, the way it works, guys, you just invest your money in whatever market, and then you just leave it. You just let it run on autopilot. Some people have their accounts just running and they just don't even think about it, and they're just kind of going to check it out every 6 months, once a year, what have you. So, yeah, if you guys want some more information on S Group, you can definitely email me. My email address is in the description. And if you'd like to join my team here in S Group, I have a small little team I'm working on building, but the sign up link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well, because you guys will see all the different informational videos that I'm going to be putting up in the near future. This is actually the back office of S Group once you sign up. And they've just actually, in their electronic wallet, which I haven't shown you guys yet, but it's attached to this account and allows you to fund your account through a major credit card like Visa or MasterCard to get it going. Because you have to have money in here to trade with. Like, the computerized bot does all the trading for you, so you don't have to do any of the work. You don't have to know anything about Forex trading and look at markets and trends and all that type of stuff. The intelligent computerized bot does everything for you. Apparently, this bot is worth over $5 million. Like, the owners of the company bought it, and they're the ones that are behind this. And the company is based out. It's overseas in the in Europe there. So, but all the funds are actually in American funds. I'm actually up in Canada, so I'll get a little bit more money with the exchange rate and everything. But no matter where you are in the world, you can go click on the link, sign up, join my team. Shoot me an email, let me know you joined the team. I'll definitely welcome you. We can do a phone call, video call, whatever, and I can explain everything from A to Z. And then you guys can make daily profits like I'm making in S Group here, guys. I think I have my, no, it's not actually open right now, but I'll just show you my note. This is the notification bell at the very top here. This tells you the daily income that I've made just on autopilot. We get this money at 8 p.m. Central Time. As you know, video 1, I showed you guys I made 57.03. Video 2, I showed you guys I made 23.70, and today I made 32.65, guys. So just think about it. You know, if you let this run for like 2, 3, 4 years, you're gonna have a good chunk of change in here, guys. I mean, well into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. And you know, if you need to make a car payment, you need to pay your mortgage, your maybe you need help with paying, say, you know, if you say you have kids and they're going to college or whatever, you're helping them with their tuition and you know, materials and all that type of stuff. This is a great system, guys. I'm going to be getting a new car probably towards the end of the year, and I'm just going to let S Group pay for everything, so I won't have to pay for anything. So as you can see, all time in the system here, I've made over $9,000, guys, and this is like since October 2020, so been in here for a while. But yeah, it's definitely a great system, a lot of great members. There's a team community, there's a Telegram chat group, English chat group, so if you have any questions or if you need to fund your account, there's actually an English chat group with members that are able to help you and assist you in funding your account to get it going. This is definitely the most amazing system I've seen, the most amazing company, I would say. I'm in Forex right now. I can't wait to get into S Pharmaceutical and IPO and everything else. So, yeah, so guys, this ends my 5-minute daily review video. Please sign up with the link down in the description and shoot me an email if you have any further questions. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.